Alright guys, so this is a finished look of this unit, guys. This unit was sent to me from Nadula Hair Company. So as you guys can see, this unit is fire AF. I know we are just entering 2023, so we got a few months before spring and summer really comes through. But I definitely think that this unit right here is a fabulous unit for the spring and summertime. Now I might have to keep this one, guys. I'm not gonna lie, the coloring on this one and the actual cap construction and the curl texture is super pretty. Now I know a lot of you guys know that a lot of these companies have this beautiful reddish brown color. This one actually is very different from the other ones that are reviewed. This color is actually mixed a little bit kind of in a tone of a burgundy as well, so it's kind of like a reddish brown burgundy, and you guys can see it's super vibrant, super pretty, and it looks very good on my skin tone. Now this unit is 24 inches long, guys. It's about like a kinky curly texture, so you guys can see the curls are super defined on this unit. So before I installed this unit today, I did co-wash this unit overnight, and I kind of, you know, fixed the baby hairs and stuff, like preset everything. I didn't cut the lace off the unit, so I did everything on a mannequin head. I think I've showed you guys that in a video before. If you guys want to update a video on how I set my wigs overnight before install, just let your girl know. But I preset this wig up overnight, and all I did today was install it. As you guys can see, I didn't put any product in the hair because after co-washing it last night, I decided to just go ahead and brush the hair and add my Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I let it, I put the Cantu leave-in conditioner in and let it air dry. And this is what it looked like today. I did not put any water or any product on this unit whatsoever. So this is, well, today, so this is what it's giving today. It looks very pretty, guys. Is it baby hairs on both sides? The reason why I said this is more like of a summer spring wig is just because it is a nice kinky texture. So you guys can see the unit is very full, and I love it. It's super full and it's super long at the same time, so it's like a double lethal combination, and it just looks so nice. You guys can see that the curls are curly with purpose, and you guys know every single time I have like a kinky curl like this, I have to put product in it so it can actually formulate a curl and have a solid look instead of just kind of being sloppy and all mangly. I hate that type of wet curl look. No shade, no tea to the girls that love the wet curl look going outside. I can't. You look like I wet you out. I'm just joking, but still. I prefer it like this, guys. I think that this looks very cute, guys. It is a 13x4. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I just added a little bit of powder on the parting space. So you guys can see that it looks very pretty. I did use a little bit of that spray, and I feel like the spray that I used might be a little bit too light, so you guys can kind of see it looks a little bit light around the perimeter. But that was completely my fault because I picked up the wrong tinting spray at the beauty supply store. So find your right tinting spray and tint the inside of the unit, and I mean, come on, like, does it get any hotter than this? I don't think so. So let me know what you guys think about today's wig review. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Is it a yes? Is it a no? But I know it's always going to be a yes because, I mean, I fucked this up, period. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Nadula Hair Company. I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.